Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing OnlyWay and granting necessary permissions. Create a strong master password now. Use 12 or more characters with letters, numbers, and symbols so your vault is secure. Once done, enable biometrics or two-factor authentication to reduce daily typing while improving security. Make sure you record recovery details offline. Write them on paper or store in a separate encrypted file. This first step locks down access and prepares your device for safe, ongoing use. You now populate the vault. Tap Add and fill title, username, password, URL, and notes so each credential is complete. Use folders or tags to keep work, personal, and subscriptions separated. Mark frequent logins as favorites for one-tap access. Whenever you create or update a password, use the built-in generator to ensure randomness and set expiration reminders to rotate critical credentials. Once organized, sync settings will keep entries consistent across devices. Verify sync is enabled and complete. You finish by using OnlyWay's autofill in apps and browsers. Enable system integration and test on a few sites so you trust its behavior. Make sure sync is active. Choose cloud or local backup and confirm the latest timestamp to avoid lost entries. If you ever get locked out, use your recovery code or offline backup first. If those fail, wait any imposed lockout period and contact support. A key troubleshooting tip: if autofill fails, toggle integration off and on, then re-authenticate to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.